Hi, I'm Jimmy and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a problem every cheese lover faces: what to do with all those leftover cheese scraps. Get ready for 10 mind-blowing recipes that'll have you digging through your cheese drawer with excitement. We're talking cheesy breadsticks, epic omelets, and even a cheese-tastic pizza. Like and subscribe for more awesome recipes and fun content. Alright, cheese fans, let's start with a classic cheesy breadsticks. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Dice or grate about a cup of cheese scraps. In a bowl, combine 2 cups of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, and your cheese. Mix it all up with about a cup of milk until you have a smooth dough. Roll it out, cut into strips, and bake for 15 minutes or until golden brown. Enjoy the cheesy aroma filling your kitchen. Next up, we're conquering breakfast with a cheese omelet. Heat your skillet to medium. Whisk 2 eggs with a splash of milk, salt, and pepper. Chop up half a cup of cheese scraps. Pour the egg mixture into the skillet and cook for a minute or two. Sprinkle cheese over one half. Fold the omelet and cook for another minute. Boom! Breakfast fit for a cheese king or queen. Serve hot and enjoy. No one can resist a good pasta bake, especially a cheesy one. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook your favorite pasta. In a saucepan, melt a tablespoon of butter, whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour, then slowly add 2 cups of milk. Add 2 cups of cheese scraps and stir until melted. Combine the sauce with pasta, pour into a baking dish, and bake for 20 minutes. Enjoy the bubbly golden brown perfection. Get ready for a flavor explosion with this cheesy quesadilla. Heat a skillet over medium heat. Grab 2 tortillas. Sprinkle a generous handful of cheese scraps on 1 tortilla. Add cooked chicken, veggies, or hot peppers if desired. Top with the other tortilla and grill for 2 to 3 minutes per side until the cheese is melted and tortillas are crispy. Slice and enjoy the cheesy bliss. Who doesn't love creamy, cheesy mashed potatoes? Peel and boil potatoes until fork tender. Heat a cup of milk or cream with a tablespoon of butter. Add a cup or 2 of cheese scraps and stir until melted. Drain and mash the potatoes, then mix in the cheesy goodness. Season with salt and pepper, dive into the ultimate comfort food experience. Let's get healthier with these cheesy stuffed peppers. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice bell peppers in half and scoop out seeds. Mix cooked ground beef or sausage, rice, onions, spices, and cheese scraps. Stuff the peppers, place in a baking dish, and bake for 30 minutes until tender and heated through. Get ready for the ultimate party snack cheesy nachos. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread tortilla chips on a baking sheet. Sprinkle a mountain of cheese scraps over the chips. Add your favorite toppings like beans, salsa, and jalapenos. Bake for 10 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Top with sour cream and guacamole. Dive into cheesy nacho heaven. Warm up with a bowl of cheesy soup. In a pot, melt a tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour, then gradually add 4 cups of broth. Add 2 cups of cheese scraps and stir until melted. Add cooked broccoli, cauliflower, or shredded chicken for extra flavor. Season with salt and pepper. Cozy up with a bowl of cheesy goodness. Garlic bread makes everything better, especially when loaded with cheese. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice a loaf of bread lengthwise. Combine softened butter, minced garlic, and cheese scraps. Spread the mixture over the bread. Wrap in foil and bake for 15 minutes. Then unwrap and bake for another 5 minutes. Enjoy the golden brown, cheesy delight. We've saved the best for last: cheese pizza. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Use your favorite pizza dough. Spread pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a crust border. Sprinkle your cheese scrap blend over the entire pizza. Add toppings if desired. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. There you have it, folks. 10 incredible ways to transform your leftover cheese scraps into cheesy masterpieces. From breadsticks to pizza, we've covered all the cheesy bases. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes and fun videos. Now go forth and conquer those cheese scraps.